Hey, it's Kendall B. Welcome back to the channel and showing off a little taco meat to show you the ELARA Hilton Grand Vacations Las Vegas 2-bedroom suite on floor 55, almost at the very top of the building. This is room 5534, and oh my goodness, you need to check this out. It's a great room if you can get it. A 2-bedroom suite at the Hilton Grand Vacations, ELARA, Las Vegas. Now, you might see in the video that there's stuff laid out. I normally don't like to do a room tour with stuff laid out, but I'm staying here with my boys, so we got stuff all over the place, so I try to tidy up just a little bit. But here we are, 2-bedroom suite, and it's enormous. Let's show you the space. Let's start with the kitchen. You do get the kitchen with the sink and plenty of amenities that go along with that, including your coffee maker, your convection microwave, your stovetop knives. You've got all kinds of stuff. If you are going to just go to Smith's or Target or anything to get groceries and not spend exorbitant prices on the Vegas Strip, you want to cook for yourself, you can do it here. You can even have toast and bagels in the morning. The refrigerator, full size. Josh forgot to eat his steak. That was delicious steak. I gotta tell him, I gotta remind him that that's there. Anyway, crushed ice, cubed ice, water as well, although there's plentiful water. Usually just ask here at the ELARA. This is the main living area. You have a dining room, 6 chairs. This can also serve, obviously, as a workspace if you need it to. Over here, kind of a little wet bar area, so if you're gonna bring the liquor, you can do that right here. You have your ice bucket, you have your sink too, and plenty of space down here to put things if you're going to do that. I'm gonna come back to the television situation because this thing is out of control, but I'm gonna bring you over here for the actual workspace. So if you do need to do some things, get online, get the hookup, this is great because you have USB ports, you have plugins, you've got adjustable lighting. So if you just absolutely positively have to work, you could do it here at the ELARA in the 2-bedroom suite. It's night, and this is ridiculous. This is your view in what we can really only call the indoor lanai, because you can see all of the strip. There's Paris, Bellagio over there, right next to Planet Hollywood. There's Cosmo, Aria, Park MGM, and there's the other hotels down at the end of the strip, and way off in the distance, that is Allegiant Stadium where the Las Vegas Raiders play. So, you can't see it in here, but I'm going to have to put a light on this so you can really see what's going on, because this particular area is cool for laying out. It does get warm in the afternoon because the sun will come right in here, but you have like this large chaise, and you can kind of lay out here, enjoy the view, get a little shade, get a little sun, depending on how you're feeling it. Just off the kitchen, you have your phone to call the front desk and 3 bar chairs to kind of gather around if someone's cooking or you got some takeout or whatever, and just kind of chill up here. Now let's come back to the main living area here and the big couch and the big screen. Now, the screen is down because we're sports fanatics. You have a TV over here, but you also have the big screen over here. Translates right there. That's your gigantic screen that you can sit and watch whatever you want to. Sports, anything you need to see is right here. Now let's just say you don't want to have the big screen on. That's okay. We can turn the projector off, and then we can raise the shade. And then you can see the rest of your view. And now let's take you into the owner's suite, which is still quite amazing. Just check out the view. You're in here, you're at night, daytime, doesn't matter. You have all of the shades up. You can see all around the strip. You can sit and chillax right here with your view. If you want to work in your bedroom, you can do that because we also have power cords and outlets. So if you don't want to use the main room to work, you can work in your bedroom. Television and the DVD player. Pardon the semi-unmade bed, but you have the king bed, you've got lights, you've got a phone, and you've got a place to plug in all of your goodies, as you see where mine's plugged in. So you do have your one outlet and you have USB-A's there. Plug that in, get things charged. Now catch me being bougie. Let's say goodnight in this room, shades down. Oh yeah, that's happening. You want to close off your Vegas view? You want it to be extremely private? All the shades down. We're doing it all the way across. Now let's just say you want to take a dip in your jacuzzi tub. Boom. It is right there in your bedroom. It's kind of fancy. It could also be kind of sexy depending on how you're rolling. So just keep that in mind. The bathroom, plus you also have a bidet. If you want to get extra special fancy, boom, bidet action for you. And I want to show you the weirdest thing in the water closet. Okay, you have the water closet, you have your bidet. What's this? What does this door lead to? There's a hook in here, and then nothing else. It was just something to take up space. This is weird. You can really scare somebody pretty badly by hiding in here and jumping out while they're trying to do their business. I wouldn't suggest that though. And then we go into the shower where you have two heads are better than one. There's one, there's two. So, you know, you can do a lot of things in the shower, all right? Get clean and otherwise. But it is pretty big. So you can enjoy that, your double-headed shower. Here's your closet space for the owner's suite. You have other bedding up at top. You have hangers. That's my boys' shirts and stuff. And you've got your safe too to lock things in. And it's a pretty humongous safe. I don't think I've seen a safe this big in any other hotel room I've been in. So you can store quite a bit in that safe. And again, pardon the unmade bed, but this is bedroom number 2, another king bed, but you still have another beautiful view of the strip going all the way down South Las Vegas Boulevard. And you can see me, hello. And another decent sized television for the second room with a DVD player too. A view of your second bathroom. You have a single sink in this bathroom. You have your water closet, and you also have another walk-in shower. But this one only has one head, so you'll have to deal with that. Oh my gosh, you have to deal with it. And if you don't want the lights of Vegas, you want some privacy, get those shades down. We'll close it up and call it a night. It's time to sleep. Did I mention there was a washer and dryer? No, I did not. So you can wash all that Vegas off of you and have a nice clean bag when you go home. But again, can you believe this view? Just stand here and stare at this all day, all night. It's fantastic. This is the second time my boys and I have gotten a room like this for our boys' weekend, and if you can swing it, you should do it. So I think that will do it for this room tour of the 2-bedroom suite at the Hilton ELARA, Las Vegas. If you like what you saw, go ahead and click that like button and subscribe to the channel for more room tours and more travels throughout the country and around the world to show you the places we love to go, the places I like to stay, the things that we like to do. Have you stayed at the Hilton ELARA before? Put it in the comments. Which room did you like? Have you stayed in the 2-bedroom before? Put it in the comments. Tell me how you liked it. and catch up with us again for the next video.